Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty your trash on AOL Mail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AOL Mail application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your credentials. After you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page from which you can tap on Inbox to go into your mail at the bottom left corner. Now from this page, tap on Trash and you will be taken into the trash page. Now if you wish to clear all of the emails, you can simply tap on the circle at the top menu which will select all of the emails. You can then tap on the delete button at the bottom left corner and then tap on OK to confirm your deletion. Once you tap on the OK button, your emails will be emptied and deleted from your trash. And there you have it. That is how you can empty your trash on the AOL Mail application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.